Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the professional mukbang show where I eat something spicy, and if it's really hot, you'll see me wince and probably make some kind of face and stuff, but I'm not going to jump up and down, I'm not going to be a cartwheeling clown, and I'm not going to be silly. I'm just going to do what I do, which is what I do when I do it. And today we've got Nissin's new Firewalk Hot and Spicy. This is their torched teriyaki chicken variety. And we're joined by old Stumpy from North Little Rock, Arkansas for the mukbang. How's it going, Stumpy?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm doing. And you are a veteran of the One Chip Challenge. You did that a while back, and now you can't even do that anymore.
Yeah, the One Chip Challenge. I remember that. That was a couple of years ago, 2-3 years ago.
Yeah, and you were hurting. I remember that. I think you barfed it up. I think that was a tough time.
Off camera. Yeah, I held on camera for a good, I don't know, maybe 10 to 15 minutes before I went and puked off camera.
Yep. Well,
yeah.
I've got this hot and spicy firewalk. It looks interesting. I just made it a couple minutes ago. And you can see that episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Check your local listings. This is what it looks like. And well, I'll just ask you. Can I get a ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go.
Interesting. At the outset, it's got a sweetness. The noodles are nice and plump. The seasoning was not a liquid base, but a powder. And you reserve 2 tablespoons of water, and then you add the water and the powder once you cook the noodles and stir it up. I would not call this teriyaki. That's not the flavor I'm getting. I'm thinking of calling it teriyaki because it's sweet.
What could you compare it to?
It reminds me of something. I'm trying to think of what. I don't know. It's making me think of maybe reminiscent of some like Indonesian or like a Nissin UFO, but like a spicy one, like their yakisoba. I don't know.
What would you say the base of the sauce is like?
I'm getting cumin. I'm getting the sweetness. The heat, I'm going to guess the heat is pepper extract. I don't know. It says that there's pepper in the noodle, but unfortunately when you do that, a lot of that is going to be lost during the boiling process.
Yeah.
And I think what you end up getting mostly out of that is the color of the noodle, which is nice. I like that. It's got heat. I'm going to say that. If you are a person that's like leery of spicy, that can't handle extremely spicy, you might find this like way too spicy. I should mention that I have no idea where you're going to find this. This might be on Amazon. I haven't looked. All I know is it's very new. It might be in test markets. I don't know. I really have no idea where this is going to be. I'm going to say I'm really enjoying the plumpness of the noodle. It's got a good tooth to it. It's doing really well for a domestic instant. I'm really impressed with this. Is it top 10 spicy? No. But it is spicy. It's good. I would recommend it if you're looking for a recreational yum. This would go for that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, most certainly. That's about that. And done.
Done.
Yeah, everything. I ate everything but the garnish. So yeah, that's pretty good. If you end up finding this, definitely give it a try. I want to venture a guess of where it will be, but I really can't because I have no clue. Where did I get it? I saw something about it, and I sent a message to one of my contacts over at Nissin Foods, and oh wait, they contacted me. They shot me an email mentioning this, and I think they had a press release about it. I can't remember, but I know they contacted me. That's right. And I was like, I want to review that. Shoot some over. And they did. And there's this one. There will also be I think they were calling it like a Szechuan spicy variety, like a beef. So I've got some beef varieties that I need to review, but I don't have any beef, so I got to get some beef. Got to go to H Mart, get some Korean barbecue beef, thin sliced. That's where it's at. Well,
that sounds great.
Yeah, well, thanks for joining me on this just before Christmas spicy noodle mukbang. If anybody's actually watching this, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah. Well, Hanukkah's over. Happy New Year, Happy Festivus, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy, I don't know, do you have anything that people should be happy about?
Deck the halls with your ramen and meatballs, I guess.
Couldn't be said any better. All right.
Yeah.
Well, this has been Hans and Stumpy from North Little Rock. North Little Rock. Arkansas.
Yep.
We're signing out. Enjoy your noodles each and every day. Enjoy your holidays. Happy New Year. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, y'all.